Okay, this is my computer, and my problem is, like, it won't turn on. The lights, some of the lights are on. Every time I try to turn it on. Won't turn on. I already tried disconnecting it and doing all the other stuff. And I was wondering how you can fix this. I already, and this stopped working. I guess it won't turn on. And yeah. Also, this Republic of Gamers light keeps on blinking on and off. If you can see that. And there's also a start button here. So, click it. Still won't turn on. So, if anyone can help me, it would be much appreciated.